Greetings, Grace principals and staff. My name is Carrie Gazins. I am part of the Technology Services team. I'm here today to introduce the new display units that have been purchased to be installed into the teaching classrooms in all of our buildings. Having these two devices will help us to serve better because we will be able to understand each unit a little more thoroughly. Because we only have two of them to focus on, we will be able to let people know when there are issues and how to make that happen to fix them and make them work better for them. So let's begin. Over here on my right-hand side is our Viewsonic View board. As you can see, it is a 75-inch display. This device has been purchased to be used in the pre-K through grade 3 classrooms, and also to have one of these units, as you can see, which is on a cart, and so it's mobile. It moves around not only in the classroom wherever you want it, but also throughout the building. We will have an extra unit in each building to allow you to use those for special events that may be happening or when they need to be used in the gym, the cafeteria. Instead of having to remove it from the teacher's room, there will be an extra device in each building. This device is interactive, which means it has touch capabilities. You can use this board standalone, which makes it an Android device. As an Android device, it works very similar to your phone. You can connect to the Wi-Fi, you can have apps and different things on it. However, it is as good as your Wi-Fi is and as fast as your Wi-Fi speed is. So it does have the ability to stand alone. However, it can be connected to a teacher's device in several ways. Obviously, with our new teacher laptops, which now have the casting capability, we want them to be able to do that wirelessly if possible. There's an app that is added to this board called VCast Sender and Receiver, which allows you to put your teacher laptop onto this device. Those will all be installed for those teachers who need that. Also, as you can see, this device allows the teachers to directly connect a document camera. So they can use that document camera without having to use their teacher device. So if they have papers that they want to show, they can put it on the counter here or anywhere else where you put your dock camera, and you can see it up on the board. Over here on my left is our 75-inch television that has been purchased to be used in our grades 4 to 8 classrooms and our specials. So this, as you can see, is mounted on the wall. There is a mounting unit behind it. It allows you to move that television away from the wall and to be able to tilt it in different directions so that it allows you to have your students seated in different places and have better visuals. We do recommend that when you don't need it turned and pulled out like that, that you keep it against the wall. Being a 75-inch TV, it is very large and it is a little on the heavier side. So when you put it flat against the wall, you will hear a click. There is a magnet on the mounting bracket that allows it to make that TV a little bit sturdier. This device is also built-in smart casting, which is the Chrome casting. However, you can see it also has AirPlay, which the 75-inch Viewsonic also has an app that can be added that allows AirPlay to work on it. So you have those capabilities. Both of them come with obviously remote controls to be able to control them from different parts of the room, which is nice. And they also both have the ability to be connected wired if needed. And you might say, I thought all of our devices are now wireless. We want people to cast. We want them to do that. Yes, we want them to have that capability, but we also understand there are times when hardwire is a better option. That could be because a device cannot cast, doesn't have the casting capability, or something isn't working on the casting. It could be that our Wi-Fi, as we all know, doesn't always stay reliable for us all the time based on weather or other things that can happen in our building. So when that happens, you can plug into your laptop directly or any device that has an HDMI. It also allows you to plug in a DVD player if you have a movie of some sort that you want to show that you haven't been able to connect to on the internet, or in the case of, again, our Wi-Fi not working, that you have those capabilities. So each device will have an HDMI cable along with it so that that can happen as needed or at the comfort of the person who is using the device. You will be hearing more about these devices in separate videos that go in more in depth into each device on its own, that can then be sent out to our teachers as these display units are put into their classrooms. It can get them started, give them the basics, what they need to know to get started, and work with the device from day one. Also, along with that, we will be offering some summer training sessions if teachers would like to come in, especially for our Viewsonic board, which has a few more capabilities, but also for our TVs to help teachers understand how can you use these in place of your smart boards or your projectors or whatever else that you have had in your classrooms. So you will be hearing more from us. Any questions, please feel free to reach out. And we look forward to having the devices ready and raring to go for our fall of 2022. Thank you.